All right, so for anybody not paying close attention, we've had a pretty nice week to enjoy here. So it'd be easy to assume that we're just going to continue on this path into the weekend.
You know what they say about assumptions.
Yeah.
Today is actually so far a little sunnier than I would have thought, so that's good. We're squeezing it out, but certainly it changes late this afternoon, and then our patterns. Quick correction. Mount Washington. I was off on it, which is so embarrassing for a nerd. It's 6,288. So I shorted it, which is not good. All right, here's a look at the satellite. You got a couple of clouds out there, but the real cloud cover is back to Rutland, Vermont. So that's a little bit slower than the computer models had anticipated, which is fine. It means we get more sunshine in before this cloud deck moves in. You can see once it does, sharp edge on this. Once it does, it's pretty much just cloudy. So that's later this afternoon into tonight when we get into a cloudier, more showery pattern, which the rain, as I mentioned, doesn't look like a whole lot right now. The problem is it'll get enhanced as it moves into Maine and gets some ocean moisture with it. We've been doing that with a lot of our fronts. A lot of our fronts have fallen on Friday, as we've discussed, and so the combination will be very familiar, I think, for a lot of people. Upper 70s right now. This is the warmest day, I think, so far. 78 in Bangor, 78 in Wiscasset. We'll probably get into the low 80s in a couple of spots later this afternoon before those clouds do come in and start to shut it down. There's also a few sprinkles in this model. I don't think there's many of those, though. I think we stay dry until tonight, and a lot of us stay dry until after midnight tonight. That's when our first batch of showers and storms comes in, and then it just kind of sits over us on Friday. It's not going to be raining all day, but I also don't think there are going to be any real breaks of sunshine in here. So even when it's not raining, we're looking at clouds, temperatures just hovering in the 60s. We even got some 50s out towards Greenville and Millinocket and Rangeley. This is in the middle of the day. So quite raw, quite cool, even though the dew points are high. And the heaviest rain will probably be over southern coastal Maine into the mid-coast. By the late afternoon, we start to dwindle some of this, but there's still shower chances overnight and into very early Saturday. And then Saturday, it's hard to sell this. It's going to be fine, but there will be showers around. So you can see that shower early Saturday, then a break through the middle of the day where it may actually be fairly nice. This is 1 o'clock. We've got some low 80s. And then we pop up some more showers later in the day. Kind of do the same thing on Sunday where there are pop-up showers in the afternoon. So the models still don't agree, but at this point, we're sticking with the forecast where there's a chance of showers both days, a lower chance of showers on Sunday. Let's have a look at Franklin here. It is a tropical storm still expected to become a hurricane. And the reason we're showing this to you, of course, is that it will meander its way somewhere into the eastern seaboard over the next few days into next week. Now, each one of these lines is a computer model plot. Keep in mind, they're not all created equal. So some of these models are not very good, and they're all in the same plot together. So even on the most western outlier here, it's not a direct hit. I think it's more likely to be out way to the east here, where we might see some swells from it and perhaps some rain associated with it on Tuesday into Wednesday, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. Tomorrow's a problem because I've got a 5-year-old that I'm home with, and it doesn't look good. Showers, downpours throughout the day. Again, Saturday is okay. There are some breaks in there, and then some more showers in the afternoon. Same deal on Sunday. I don't think it's a bad day, but showers will pop up in the afternoon. Nice on Monday. That tropical-infused rain is possible on Tuesday, so that could be a little bit juicier. We'll see how close Franklin comes to us. That'll be the key to what kind of impacts, if any, we really have.
Tomorrow, indoor staring contest.
Yes.
All day.
Yes.
That's
he probably will win that. He's already he's floated a few ideas out for me. I just don't like any of them so far.
At least he's thinking. He's contributing. All right, Keith, thanks.